Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel TechnoSage. So in today's video, we are going to discuss LeetCode problem number 217, that is contains duplicate. So let's get started. Let's first understand the problem. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. So basically we will be given one array, that is nums array, and if any element appears twice in the array, then we have to return true. For example, here you can see 1 is appearing twice, so we are returning true. And if every element is distinct, that means there is no duplicate, then we need to return false. So in this example, we have elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and there is no duplicate, so we are returning false. So now let's understand how we are going to solve this problem. So let's take the same input array having elements as 1, 2, 3 and 1. And generally, whenever you are trying to find the duplicates, we can use hash map. So what we are going to do in the we are going to put all the elements in the hash map. For example, whenever you are running a loop, so you will see put 1 at index 0 and then move on to the next character, see if that already exists. It is not existing, so you can put 2 at index 1, move on to the next element. Element is 3 and the index is 2. And then when you move on to the next element, you will see that 1 is already existing there. Then that means you have duplicates, you can return true. So basically we are going to use contains key method to check if that key is already existing in the hash map. If it is already existing, we can return true. If not, we can return false. For example, in another array, we have elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever you are saving the elements in the hash map, it would be 1 and index 0, 2, index 1, 3, index 2, 4, index 3. Correct? So whenever you are checking that key is existing in the hash map, key is not there. So you have put all the elements till the last element and you found that there is no duplicate. So you can return false. So two things we are going to save here. One is element and another one is index. So now let's write the solution for it. So this is our class that is contains duplicate. Now let's write a method that would be public static. Since it is going to return true or false, we can say boolean and contains duplicate, and it is going to expect the input as nums array. Correct? And then let's take one hash map having integer and integer. Correct? Because element is integer, index is also integer, hm new hash map of integer and integer. And then run the loop, scan the elements from the 0th element till the last element of the array, and then check using the contains key method whether that key is already there in the hash map, nums of I. If it already exists, then we can return true, else put the values in the map, hm dot put and element and the index. At the end, we can return false. Let's go back to our main function and call the function. Let's take the input array as 1, 2, 3, 1 having duplicates, and let's write our print statement. Call the function using nums array. Let's run the program and see the output. So the output here is true because it has duplicate. And if we take another input array that is 1, 2, 3, 4, since it has all the distinct elements, so it should return false. Let's run the program and see the output. So the output here is false. So this is how we need to solve this problem. If you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.